Did you know that the Mercedes AMG GLE 63S Coupe can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds? That's faster than some supercars. In today's video, we're going to dive into the 2024 model's specs and features that make it a beast in the luxury SUV market. The GLE 63S Coupe is a statement piece, both on the road and in the design department. Its sleek lines, aggressive stance, and luxurious interior make it a top contender among high-performance SUVs. But what really sets it apart from the competition? Mercedes-Benz has long been synonymous with luxury and performance, and the GLE 63S model is no exception. With a rich history of producing high-performance vehicles, the German automaker has honed its craft, creating a machine that's as comfortable on the track as it is on the daily commute. The GLE 63S model, in particular, has been a fan favorite among car enthusiasts, offering a perfect blend of power, style, and practicality. Mercedes-Benz's commitment to innovation and excellence has earned it a loyal following, and the 2024 GLE 63S Coupe is no exception. Founded in 1926, Mercedes-Benz has been at the forefront of automotive innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of cars. From its early racing successes to its current status as a luxury powerhouse, the brand has consistently delivered high-quality vehicles that exceed expectations. The 2024 AMG GLE 63S Coupe boasts a handcrafted AMG 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine, producing an astonishing 603 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to propel this SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, as I mentioned earlier. But it's not all about brute force. This engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and seamless gear shifts, even in the most intense driving conditions. The GLE 63S also features an advanced all-wheel drive system, which ensures maximum traction and stability, regardless of the road surface. In terms of technology, the 2024 model boasts a range of advanced features, including a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 12.3-inch infotainment screen, and a Burmester high-end 3D surround sound system. The GLE 63S also features an advanced driver assistance package, which includes features like active lane change assist, active distance assist, and route-based speed adaptation. In terms of design, the 2024 model boasts a sleek, aerodynamic body kit, complete with a front splitter, side skirts, and a rear diffuser. The interior is equally impressive, with premium leather upholstery, Alcantara trim, and a range of customizable options to suit your personal style. The GLE 63S Coupe also features a panoramic sunroof, which adds to the overall sense of space and luxury. With its advanced technology, aggressive styling, and luxurious interior, the 2024 GLE 63S Coupe is truly a force to be reckoned with. In terms of performance, the 2024 GLE 63S Coupe is an absolute beast. With its advanced all-wheel drive system and handcrafted V8 engine, this SUV is capable of handling even the most demanding driving conditions with ease. Whether you're carving up twisty roads or cruising down the highway, the GLE 63S Coupe is always in its element. But it's not just about raw power. The GLE 63S also features a range of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot assist. This SUV is just as comfortable on the daily commute as it is on the track, making it the perfect vehicle for anyone who wants a high-performance machine that's still practical and reliable. According to expert reviews, the GLE 63S Coupe is one of the most impressive luxury SUVs on the market, offering a perfect blend of power, style, and luxury. One reviewer noted that the GLE 63S is a masterclass in performance and luxury, offering an unparalleled driving experience that's hard to match. Another reviewer praised the GLE 63S's incredible acceleration and handling, making it a genuine thrill to drive. Of course, no vehicle is perfect, and the 2024 GLE 63S Coupé is no exception. Some reviewers have noted that the SUV's ride can be a bit stiff, particularly when driving over rough roads. Others have mentioned that the GLE 63S's advanced technology features can be a bit overwhelming, particularly for those who are new to the Mercedes-Benz brand. However, these are minor quibbles in an otherwise exceptional vehicle. In comparison to other luxury SUVs in its class, the 2024 GLE 63S Coupé holds its own against the competition. The BMW X6M, for example, is a close rival, offering similar performance and luxury features. However, the X6M's interior design is slightly less impressive, and its ride can be a bit harsher than the GLE 63S. The Audi Q8 RS, on the other hand, is a more recent entry into the luxury SUV market, offering a similar blend of power and luxury. However, the Q8 RS's exterior design is slightly less aggressive, and its interior technology features are not quite as advanced as the GLE 63S. I've had the privilege of driving the 2024 GLE 63S Coupé, and I can honestly say that it's an incredible machine. The way it accelerates, the way it handles, it's truly a thrill to drive. And yet, despite its raw power, the GLE 63S is still a comfortable and practical vehicle, perfect for daily driving. Whether you're commuting to work or running errands, the GLE 63S Coupé is always up to the task. I've also had the chance to spend some time with the GLE 63S's advanced technology features, and I can say that they're truly impressive. From the advanced driver assistance package to the Burmester high-end 3D surround sound system, every detail has been carefully considered to enhance the overall driving experience. In conclusion, the 2024 Mercedes AMG GLE 63S Coupé is an absolute beast of a machine, offering a perfect blend of power, style, and luxury. With its advanced technology features, aggressive styling, and luxurious interior, this SUV is a true standout in the luxury market. I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. The only thing holding me back from a perfect score is the slightly stiff ride and overwhelming technology features. However, these are minor quibbles in an otherwise exceptional vehicle. If you're in the market for a high-performance luxury SUV, the 2024 GLE 63S Coupé is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other video on the top 5 luxury SUVs of 2024. And don't forget to leave a comment below. What do you think about the 2024 Mercedes AMG GLE 63S Coupé? Would you consider buying one? Let us know in the comments.